Okay, how does it feel? Now you're going to relinquish your crown. It's okay. It doesn't give any bearing. You're so beautiful. How I wish I could wear also this beautiful gown. You're so pretty. Thank you. Oh, what? And you? You are so much like, some kind of, I recognize your gown. Maybe if I'm going to visit the Plaza Fast Food, I could see. Where did you take this? Oh, she's a mute. Hello. Are you sleepy? Would you like to say something? Thank you for what? For your beautiful gown. Who made your gown? How much did you spend for your gown? Really good. Who did your makeup? Marie? So, we would like to say something also to Miss. For the information of everybody, this is the look-alike of Chinky Pacquiao. Isn't it obvious? How does it feel if there's somebody telling you that you look like Chinky? You know, Chinky Pacquiao is beautiful.
Wife of Manny Pacquiao.
So Miss Bectas. Where is Elmas Bectas? I don't know why they became a beauty queen. Just kidding. Okay, just stay there and wait until 2 o'clock. I want to ask Ma'am Jaja talaga. Ma'am Jaja, how much did you spend for your gown? Confidential. Maybe that's 1,800 per yard. Never mind. So, you want to greet your husband if he's here? You really do not like to speak. Why? How old are you? 17. Oh, so when we're going to have your debut? When? 7th day of December, year 2008. Ay, mamalan yun! Stay here! Would you like to exit too? Okay, you stay here with me. Stay here, girls. Let everybody watch our beautiful gowns. Okay lang kayo? Hindi? Why?